full divine family. If you're seeing this message, there is a dragon, and this is a message from the dragon desire. For desire to fulfill, we need to live expensively. So, what do you think if you are dragon? Because if you are seeing this and it has come to you, it means the message is for you. Will you think a dragon will say, maybe not now, or maybe one day, maybe I should not desire such things? No, na. So, similarly, a dragon will say, I desire what I desire, I command my desire, and now. And once dragon desire such things, they will say that there's no doubt about my manifestation about this. So their desire will be manifested. So dragon also has a wisdom to know that desire will appear in the perfect way, either exactly as it is imagined or something even better. Okay, because I've seen when you work with the dragon energy, I myself have worked, and the people who have worked with me, when I worked with them, their dragon energy, then accordingly, I have seen either it come that exactly or it will be better, but not less than that. Similarly, if you are someone who are into this card, this message is telling you right now to drop into greater certainty that all is working in your favor. And to claim this, you have to like and subscribe to this channel. And you have to say, claim this energy of dragon. That all your previous experiences, whatever have happened, have shaped you for the thing to come. Because your past is talking through you, past is shifting you, past is making you. So feel your essence, collaborating with the universal source. And when you're collaborating with the universal source, you need to know that your life is unfolding in divine protection, divine perfection. And breathe and breathe, and this say that this trust into all of your cells. You need to breathe this trust into, absorb this trust, imbibe this trust in all of yourself, and desire fearlessly whatever you were thinking, whenever this message came to you. And if it's for the highest good, divine energy, dragon energy is with you. Now, the message for you, the affirmation for you is that you need to say, I desire what I desire. My desires unfold exactly or better than what I have imagined them, or as something even much better. Okay, and if this message resonate, you want to claim this energy, like and subscribe. As I mentioned again, take care, stay blessed.